In this lesson, we'll learn how to mark and unmark rows, as well as edit data in the repeater table. First, drag a repeater card onto the canvas, add a new column, and set the header to Marked. Change the cell data in this column to 0 for all rows. This data will help control the style of table rows. Go to the repeater's component section, select the card group, and add an click interaction. Add a case and a condition. Choose text value, click the FX button, insert item marked in the expression, and enter 0 as the value. In Actions, choose Edit Row Data. Keep this selected, then click Add. Under Set Values, select Marked and set it to 1. This will update the marked column value to 1 for the clicked row. Copy and paste this interaction, changing the final input box to 0 and updating the edit row data value to 0. Note that when repeater data changes, each row in the repeater reloads. This allows us to edit the repeater's style by modifying its data. Now, select the repeater and add an item loaded event. Add a case and a condition. Choose text value, click the FX button, and enter item.marked in the expression with a value of 1 in the last box. Choose the Apply Style action, select the card background as the target, and set it to a yellow background. Copy and paste this interaction, change the final input box to 0, and set the background color to white in Apply Style. Preview the prototype. When you click the card, the row in the repeater is marked. The data in the marked column is updated, and a yellow background is applied. When you click it again, it is unmarked, and the background returns to white.